Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited that you're here because I've been doing some shopping. I got some really cute pieces that I want to show you guys. So it's time for a haul. So welcome back, you guys, and welcome to everyone who's new here. My name is Ashley. Welcome to Park Avenue. I have tons of fashion content for you to check out. Outfit ideas, unboxing, styling videos. I have handbag playlists. Anything you want to see fashion-wise, I have it for you on my channel. So check out some of my other videos. And when you find something you like, make sure you subscribe and hit those notification bells so that way you don't miss any of my uploads. And the robe that I'm wearing is by the brand Notori. It is no longer available. That's how I know a lot of you are new when you ask me where I've gotten this robe, because I wear it in every single video. It's no longer available. I've had it for a long time now, but I will link some similar robes in the description box, so make sure you guys check there. And of course, everything I'm going to show you guys today, I'll have links to those in the description box as well, with sizing information and everything. And of course, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Also, if you are new here, then make sure you check out my last video or my last couple of videos. If you want to catch up on my life updates and you want to know more about me, I'll link the last life update I did in the description box so you guys can get some more background. Okay, so now on to the fashions. Today's video, I got a few cute pieces that I want to show you guys. I got some really affordable pieces and some good medium price pieces, like moderately priced. There's some super cute things that you can wear for the spring and the summer. And honestly, a couple of these pieces are definitely like long-term in your closet, in your wardrobe for life. And I'm really excited to show you these pieces. So let's just get into it. All right, so here are the first couple pieces that I wanted to show you guys. And I love this. I think it's so cute. So the top is from H&M. The bottoms are as well. Super affordable. And I think they're gonna be like my go-tos in the coming weeks because, you know, working from home, I still reach for my loungewear, my comfortable clothes, but my sweats, they're getting a little bit too hot. The weather is really warming up and it's just getting too hot for those. So I'm happy to have these sweat shorts. So let's just start at the top. So the top that I'm wearing is a really nice tee. It's a tie-dye neutral color tee, and I love that about it. That is tie-dye, so it's really fun, but it's very neutral, so I can wear it with so many things. And then in the print on the front, in my new favorite color, this lilac purpley shade, it says create and love, and I just love that. I think it's so cute, and it just speaks to me. I just really like that a lot. I think it's really fun. So super cute, and it's incorporating one of my new favorite colors. And I just love this tee. I think it's gonna look so cute with jeans, even denim shorts as well. So I think this is gonna be something we're gonna get a lot of wear out of this spring and summer. And then for shorts, I'm in love with these shorts, you guys. I'm in love with these shorts. And this looks like a set. It was purchased separately. It's not a set, but it looks like a set. And I love that. You know, we love a set, you guys. We love a set. So these shorts are just some sweat shorts from H&M. They're a nice thicker material, but they're not like too hot, but they are fleece lined. So obviously you might not be wanting to wear these like in the dead of summer, but because I'm always inside of the air conditioning, you know, when I'm working from home or just in general, I usually go from my car to somewhere that's air conditioned. So even if I'm running errands, these are gonna be perfect for me because I'm always cold. So love these. I think I'm gonna try to hunt down the matching top for it, because then I could wear it with a tank top and just like put it over my shoulders, really preppy. Super cute, I love that. So we'll see, stay tuned for that, but I love these. And then on my feet, these are not new. So you probably have seen these lots before on my channel, but these are my New Balance. I'll link something similar in the description box because I've had these for a while and I don't think they are available anymore. But really cute outfit, and I'm actually gonna wear this entire outfit probably tomorrow. I love this look. What do you guys think? And of course, the great thing about sweat shorts or sweatpants or anything like this in general is that it has a nice, comfortable elastic waist. So if you're wearing these all day, you're gonna be fine. And then it's adjustable, but I love that the strings are adjustable on the inside because that way they're not like adding extra bulk. You know, sometimes sweatpants that tie on the outside and then you make the bow, it just adds like a little bit of a lump, which I'm not very fond of. I prefer when they tie on the inside. I think it's just really nice. And then it's more hidden so you can conceal them. And then there you go, super cute. Okay, so next up, I have this super cute, I would call it like a seafoam green, this sweatshirt from Loft, and it's by the brand Lou & Grey. I don't know if you guys shop at Loft, then you might have seen there's another brand inside of Loft called Lou & Grey, and they have some really cute pieces. So this comes in some other colors as well, so I'll have it linked in the description box, but I love this color. It's a really nice seafoam green, like I said. It just is very flattering and it reminds me of spring, and it pairs really nicely with these H&M shorts. These are the same shorts that I just showed you guys from the last look, and it looks like a really cute set. I love the bold like color blocking, but in these really sweet, pretty pastels. So freaking cute and very comfy. It's just like a nice spin on a very casual outfit. A very relaxed, like a easy no-brainer sweatsuit look, but still very cute. So I would love to wear this out running errands, working from home, you know, like just tons of things, running around town. A really cute outfit. I love this. And again, I'm just pairing it back to my neutral sneakers. These are my New Balance, like I told you guys. I freaking love this. So comfortable. These are the kind of things I like to like chill in the house in. And then if I have to run to the mailbox, you know, go to the grocery store, I can put on something cute like this, throw in a crossbody bag or a cute tote or something like that and call it a day, you know what I mean? So really like this. And what I also love about it is that it has the slits on the side, which is just another like element of style that I do really appreciate. It just looks really cute. And also the venting sometimes makes things more flattering, because let's say this was closed all around, it would be more snug around my hips than it is anywhere else. So that could look more like a sack and like less flattering. So with the venting, it just adds a little bit more of appeal, a lot more flattering, and I can put my hands in my pockets comfortably. Very cute. I love this. What do you guys think? Okay, so here's the next piece I'm going to show you guys. And this one I got from H&M. This one was like 20 bucks. Super affordable. And what I thought was cool about it was that it's more of like an unusual dress. Now it looks more like a vest, but obviously it is very short and it has these slide slits. So you might want to throw on a pair of shorts under here if that makes you feel more comfortable. It just depends, and of course your height and everything like that. So you'll see if you decide to get this. But it has very deep armholes as well. That's something else I was kind of concerned about. I was thinking maybe I'd wear just like a bandeau under it. We'll see how it goes. I also thought about belting it because it doesn't really have much of a shape. But I kind of am okay with that because of the fact that it is so short. So it's kind of like baby doll style. You know, sometimes those things look really cute, slightly oversized. So let me know, what do you guys think about this? It is a little bit different from some of the pieces that I already have. But basically it's a shirt dress. And it's denim, but it was only 20 bucks, super affordable. So, you know, another dress to add to the collection for the summer. I'm here for it, you know what I mean? Very affordable and really cute. And again, I'm happy to bring my neutrals into the spring and summer. I really have been into neutrals lately, and I think this is super cute. One thing I wish that it had is pockets. That's one thing I wish I could change about this, because that would make it like really perfect for me. But yeah, I really like it. And for 20 bucks, I feel like you can't really go wrong. What do you guys think? So here's the next piece that I want to show you guys, and it's this bib style button-up shirt from Ralph Lauren. I got it in Macy's. I was just walking through and they had some cute things. They had some cute button-up dresses. I'll actually link a button-up dress that was really cute from them that I was like, ooh, should I get it? I don't know. So we'll see. You might see it turn up. I don't know. But I really love this one. So I got it slightly oversized because I just wanted that oversized feel. I'm going to be wearing it with shorts, with jeans, you know, with like, I'm going to be mixing up this summer with how I'm going to wear this very casually. But as you can see, it's just like a little bit too long in the arms. It's slightly too big up top, but that's what I was going for. So all I'm going to do is basically just ruche up the sleeves. And then I'm just probably going to unbutton one of these buttons. You can see how long it is. Like, it's really a really nice length. Maybe I'll do like a half tuck or something. And then just wear it like easy, really easy like this. You know what I mean? Like a no-brainer. Very cute. With shorts, with jeans, like I said, very comfortable and casual. I just really love this. And you cannot go wrong with a button-up shirt because you're gonna have it for a long time. It's very classic. This is not gonna ever go out of style, you know what I mean? So if you take care of it, you'll have it for a long time. So this is definitely an investment piece. And I like to wear it open up on top just to break it up a little bit, but you can button it up all the way if you want to, if that's your style. But for me, I like it like more like deconstructed. Looks super cute like that. And of course you can wear this into the office, you know what I mean? If you need to wear this under a blazer or with just like slacks, and even like a partial tuck with a pair of slacks and a pair of flats or sandals or something like that, you can do that as well. So this shirt is gonna be doing double duty if you're still going into the office, but also if you wanna wear something a little bit more dressed up, but still very casual on the weekends or, you know, whatever is your off time. So now I wanna talk to you about the shoes that I'm wearing with this outfit. If you follow me on Instagram, then you would have already seen these, and I'm sure you might have already swiped up and purchased a pair. And if you're not following me on Instagram, then please make sure you do check out the description box, because I'll have the link straight to my Instagram there. But I love these. I love these shoes. These were sent to me from Sam Edelman, and if you guys watch my channel, I love Sam Edelman. And if you are new to the channel, I love Sam Edelman. Sam Edelman just has some really cute shoes, and they did not disappoint me with these. I am so in love with these. The heel height is perfect. It's a platform, very comfortable, super on trend, but for me, a classic because I love a 70s vibe. So this is definitely up my alley, and I think they're so much fun. What's cool about these is they have like a rugged sole. It's like a really rugged sole bottom, like a pair of sneakers. I love that. It's just like a pair of sneakers at the bottom, but still such a feminine shoe. You know what I mean? Very cute. I just can't get over how cute these are. And of course, this is like a signature spring summer sandal. So with summer dresses, with jeans, with skirts, if you're going into the office, you can wear this very casually, like on a casual Friday. You can do it like this outfit here, what I'm wearing. That'll be perfect for a casual Friday at the office. Maybe minus the rips if you work somewhere a little bit more conservative, but you get my point. You can definitely mix it up here and do whatever you want, because these pieces work so good with so many things, and I love pieces like that. So I'm really into this top. I'm into these shoes, and I cannot wait to style these more for you guys. But you should definitely check these out if you're interested. I know they come in, I think, a brown and one other color, maybe like a denim blue, and I think those are suede. I'm gonna link them in the description box, of course, so you guys can check out the other colors. But if you ask me, this is the color you need to get, because this is the one that's gonna take you through the years. Like, you know what I mean? Like, if this is a shoe you wanna pull out next summer, the summer after that, and the summer after that, then this color combination and this material is gonna take you through. So I love these. So I have another pair of shoes that I wanted to show you guys from another brand that I love, Kate Spade. These are polka dot platform shoes, and these are right up my alley again, you guys. I love platform shoes, and they are super on trend right now, like I said, so perfect timing to grab yourself a few pairs if you love them like I do. But I love these. They're polka dot. They're super feminine. I mean, like, they're ultra feminine. I love these so much. So cute, and of course, very comfortable. The polka dot makes everything, I mean, the polka dot. Polka dots don't make everything comfortable. The platforms make everything comfortable. I like the heel height. Again, nice and chunky, but super cute and perfect for the summer and, you know, right now in the spring. So I love these, and I wouldn't wear it with what I'm wearing right now. I just want to show you guys that I didn't have an outfit picked out. So if you want to get your hands on these, I would definitely get them, because I got them at Nordstrom Rack. So I think that once they sell out, they're going to be gone. I saw them in a neutral color as well, like a beigey nudie color. I'll link those in the description box if you guys want it in a more neutral color, but I'm here for the polka dots. Now here's the last piece that I want to show you guys. Is this super cute dress that I got from Zara. Now this is a tunic style, baby doll style dress. It is very short, but I'm obsessed with it. It's so freaking cute, you guys. I love this. Now if you feel more comfortable, you can throw on a pair of shorts. It is a little bit on the short side, but what I love about it is that it's longer in the back. So you can get away with it being a little bit shorter since it has that high-low effect. I am obsessed. I love this. So depending on the situation, it'll determine whether I'll wear shorts or not. Likely I would wear flats with this and then don't do shorts. And then if I have these like platforms like this, then I probably would do a short or something under it. So we'll see, but I love this. And then of course I'm just gonna probably pull up the sleeves, you know, as I always do. And there you go, a twist on a classic button-up dress. I love this. You cannot go wrong. Now this is from Zara, and you know Zara is a fast fashion brand, so those are not investment pieces when we get them from Zara. But if I take good care of this, I think I'll get a few seasons out of this. So I'm really happy about that. And I think that you could get away with wearing a pair of like cropped white jeans as well with this if you wanted to. You can throw this over a bathing suit. You can do a lot with this through the spring and the summer. So I would definitely check this out if you were interested. And there are actually a couple of other button-up shirts from Zara that I have my eye on. They didn't have my sizes when I was in the store, so I'd have to order it. So I'll link those in the description box. You guys might be interested as well, because those are super cute to throw on with just like shorts or jeans or whatever to run your errands, but still look put together and cute. And we love those easy kinds of looks. So I'll link those in the description box. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this dress, because I am definitely here for you. And I also want to tell you guys about my jewelry, because you often ask me about it. And sometimes I don't remember to speak about it in my videos, because a lot of times I do wear the same pieces over and over. But just so you guys know, I have on my David Yurman bangle, Love this. I have on this heart bracelet. It's like a charm. It's a charm bracelet, but you have to buy the pendant separately. I really like this because you can wear the pendant on a necklace as well. This I got not that long ago, so if it's still available, I'll link it in the description box. I have on another David Yurman bangle, and then I have on a bracelet from Majuri. My ring, this is my favorite pearl ring. I got this during a partnership with Ana Luisa, and I love this. I know this ring is not available anymore, so I'll link something similar if they have it, but also just some other cute pieces if they have. I'll link those in the description box. And then my pinky ring is David Yurman. My necklace, this was custom. This was, you know, a family piece. And then I'm wearing David Yurman hoops. And then for my ear cuffs, these are Louis Vuitton. Love these. Oh, and I'm wearing my ankle bracelet. This ankle bracelet I actually got from Amazon, so I'll link that in the description box for you guys as well. So that's it for another haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And of course, let me know in the comments which piece was your favorite. And you guys, let me know about that that oatmeal color vest. I don't know. Now, after like trying it on again for this video, I'm not sure that I'm going to keep it. I'm just up in the air about it. Let me know what you guys think about it. It was only 20 bucks. And it's 100% cotton, like organic cotton. So I think that's really nice. But I'm not sure if I want to keep it. So let me know which piece was you guys' favorite. And make sure you guys check me out on Instagram, Pinterest, and join my Facebook group. I'll have the links to all the platforms you guys can find me on in the description box. So make sure you guys check there. And like I said, I'll have links and sizing information to all the pieces that I showed you guys. I'm really obsessed with this, so I really hope it's still available when you guys go to purchase it. Because you know, Zara, everything sells out super quick. But I'm loving these pieces. And you guys, I want to say a huge thank you to you all, because right now, my life is in a transition period. Like I said before, earlier in the video, I linked to my recent like life update video. If you guys want to check that out, make sure you do. If you want to get up to speed, but I'm a first time home buyer. My fiance and I have purchased our first home, and we're just getting settled in and like figuring out how to do this whole thing, because we now realize we need so many more things for the house. We thought we had everything we needed in the apartment. We were like stuffed to capacity, and now we're in this house and we're realizing that we need so many more things. And we did do a lot of the work in this house. Well, he did a lot of the work himself, but we do have some other things that we still have to take care of. But yeah, I'm just excited to take you guys along for the ride. And I said all that to say, thank you guys so much for hanging around, because outfits of the week, I missed a couple of those videos, so I will be getting back to that. But I do want to do like another life update for you guys and let you guys know like where I want to take the channel and what I want to do next. Just so I can share with you guys what's going to go on and what you guys are going to see. So anyway, I'm just excited to be in this studio. This is one of the first few videos that I'm able to do in the studio, and I'm really happy. The energy is great. The vibe is wonderful. So I hope you guys are picking up on that, and I'm really excited to just share more with you guys. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.